Hey y'all, welcome to day 4 out of 5 days of Wigmas with me, ArneishaNicole. Thank you so much for clicking on this video and tuning in. Today I am installing a newer unit from a newer collection from Outre. So I have the Dominican Curly 22 in a DR Cherry Crush color from the Airtied collection. This is a newer collection, kind of like the 5x5 HD lace closure wigs that Outre came out with earlier this year. So these wigs are also a human hair blend, and the wigs are 100% fully hand tied, meaning that there is no tracks in this wig. It's all hand tied. It has Vanish HD lace, which is soft and thin for a masterful melt. I agree that this lace was one of the easier lace types to deal with, and it was easy for me to blend, especially for me being a person that, I don't really melt the wigs all the way down all the time. Anywho, this wig could be worn glueless, and it has a breathable mesh cap. I didn't realize that the wig didn't have any tracks into it until I started recording this voiceover, y'all. But the wig is definitely lightweight. It's not heavy, and this one is very easy to work with. I would also say that this one is beginner friendly as well. So here you'll see that I got my part the way I wanted to have it, and I was going in with my wax stick from Eben, which will be linked down below in the description box, to kind of flatten the part area out in the front. And I go in with my hot comb later in the video, and you'll see that just to flatten it out a little bit. I will say around the perimeter was a little thicker, but if you're going for that look, you don't really have to do anything to it. That's just what I prefer to do. Then I decided to do something different with this install. I decided to kind of cut the lace from a 13x6 into kind of like a 4x4 or a 5x5. I don't know the exact measurements because I was just doing what works best for me, because I thought it would help the install look better. And I was going to pull out some of my baby hairs anyway from both sides to blend in with the wig because, like I said, I do have a lower hairline. So that's what I did here. most of this install was pretty much self-explanatory. I just went in with the Eben melting adhesive spray and the melt spray, the black kind for both. And right here, I just trimmed some of the hair off to create some baby hairs and blend them in with mine. And I got that Nairobi, y'all. So I kind of see what the girls were saying about the Nairobi, because I usually use edge control, and that's what makes my edges look really, really like slick, and they're not as easy to manipulate, I guess, or they just don't stay down half of the time. But my edges, I did my hair early this morning, probably around like 8 o'clock, and it's almost 8 o'clock now, so it's almost been like 12 hours, and the edges stayed down pretty much all day with the Nairobi. So okay, I get what y'all are saying about the Nairobi. I really liked how it held the edges down, which I and my hair too. I was shocked about that. But as y'all can see, this was a really super install. The construction of the wig, the hair that was used on the wig made it really, really easy. So this is definitely beginner friendly. I have been looking at this wig for a minute, but I didn't purchase it until I saw Beauty with Cat rocking it. And I was like, yeah, that's cute. But yeah, I have all pros about this wig, y'all. I don't have any cons. I think y'all should pick this one up. It's a little more pricier, but it's worth it, honestly. So make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And any questions that y'all have, leave down below in the comment section. And come back tomorrow for the final day of Wigmas. And thank you for watching. Merry Christmas. Take care of yourselves and have a good day, night, evening, wherever you're at. Peace.